Hello children. Today we are going to do revision of English chapter 5 Chubby the Fat Cat and grammar chapter 7 adjectives. Okay, let's start. First one, fill in the blanks. Andy was a dash. Answer, a 7-year-old boy. Andy was a 7-year-old boy. And his father wanted him to go to bed early so that he could get enough answer sleep and rest. Third one, Andy's grandfather had a pet cat named answer Tubby. Andy's grandfather had a pet cat. Its name was Tubby. Next one, Andy was surprised to find Tubby in his bed. Surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. Surprised. Fifth one, Tubby was dashed in Andy's bed. Answer, snoring like a train. S-N-O-R-I-N-G. Snoring. Tubby was snoring like a train in Andy's bed. Next one. Dash was a fat cat. Answer, Tubby. T-U-B-B-Y. Tubby. Next one. Dash did not go to sleep on time. Answer, Andy. Next one. Father told Dash that it was important to sleep and rest. Answer, Andy. Father told Andy that it was important to sleep and rest. Next one. Grandpa suggested that Tubby could help them. Grandpa suggested that Tubby could help them. Next one. Tubby was able to help Andy go to sleep on time. Who was able to help Andy go to sleep on time? Tubby. Tubby was able to help Andy go to sleep on time. Next heading, choose the correct answer. Andy never went to sleep dash time. Options, on, 1, no. Answer, on. Andy never went to sleep on time. No one knew where Tubby was. No one knew. K-N-E-W. Here options given K-N-E-W, N-E-W and M-E-W. This is answer new. K-N-E-W. Mother dashed tomato soup. M-A-I-D made. M-A-D made. M-A-T made. Answer M-A-D-E made. Mother made tomato soup. Next one. Grandpa asked for a dash of cake. P-I-E-C-E peace. P-E-A-C-E peace. P-L-E-A-S-E please. Answer peace. P-I-E-C-E peace. Grandpa asked for a piece of cake. Next one. Father cut the cake into dash pieces. Eight, eight, eight. E-I-G-H-T, eight. Next one. Andy did not dash what his mother said. See, hear, smell. Answer here. Next one. Rishabh's mother wears a ring on her dash. Finger, neck, wrist. Answer, finger. F-I-N-G-E-R. Third one. Next question. Can you dash a picture of cat? Can you dash a picture of cat? Spell, write, draw. Answer, draw. D-R-A-W. Next one. The children are dashed in the pool. Jogging, skipping, swimming. Answer, swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. Okay. Next heading. Answer the following. Who was Andy? Andy was a 7-year-old boy. Who was Andy? Andy was a 7-year-old boy. What was Andy's parents' complaint about him? Andy's parents' complaint was that he never wanted to go to bed on time. Andy's parents' complaint was that he never wanted to go to bed on time. Where did Andy's family go one weekend? One weekend, Andy's family went to visit his grandpa. One weekend, Andy's family went to visit his grandpa. Next one, what did grandpa suggest? Grandpa suggested that his cat Tubby could help Andy to get rid of his bad habit. Grandpa suggested that his cat Tubby could help Andy to get rid of his bad habit. Next one, what did Tubby do? Tubby spread out on Andy's bed and slept there. Tubby spread out on Andy's bed and slept there. Okay. Next one, grammar chapter 7, adjectives. A word that tells something about a noun is called an adjective. It is an adjective. A word that tells something about a noun is called an adjective. Adjective is also called a describing word. Okay. First one, look at the first picture. The thin man, the white tiger, a pack of 6 wolves, the sharp pencil, the cold night, the red apple, the broken chair, the heavy sack. Thin, white, 6, sharp, cold, red, broken and heavy are adjectives. Okay. Take next exercise. Practice time 1. Okay. Adjectives tell us about the colors of nouns, sizes and shapes of nouns, special qualities of nouns, and the number of nouns. For example, a red cap, a green tree, a round ball, a big house, a sunny day, a hot coffee, 2 plates, 4 bananas, etc. Practice time 1. Dash man and dash man. Answer old. A dash house. Big. A big house. Next one. A dash room. A dirty room. A dash doll. A beautiful doll. An old man. A big house. A dirty room. A beautiful doll. Okay. Next one, circle the adjectives in the sentences. First question, the girl has 2 books. Which is the adjective? 2. 2 books, adjective 2. Second one, Sita wears black shoes. Adjective black. Third one, he is a poor man. Adjective poor. He is a poor man. Fourth one, Rakshit is a tall boy. Adjective is tall. Fifth one, I live in a big house. Adjective big. 2 books, 2, black shoes, black, poor man, poor, tall boy, tall, big house, big. Okay. Next one, sixth one, Arpita likes red cars. Adjective is red. Seventh one, he plays interesting games on computer. Here adjective is interesting. Eighth one, I work in a small office. Adjective small. Ninth one, she wears a gold ring. Which is the adjective? Gold. Tenth one, the boat was swept away by the swift river. Here adjective is swift. SWIFT. Okay. Next one, comparison. There are 3 degrees of adjective: positive, comparative and superlative. For example, cold, colder, coldest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Okay. In this lesson, we will discuss only 2 degrees, that is positive and comparative. We add er to an adjective to show comparison between two nouns. We usually use than when we compare two people, places, animals or things. Okay. Practice time 2. Write er form of the following adjectives: cold, colder, fast, faster, clever, cleverer, neat, neater, thick, thicker, young, younger, short, shorter, slow, slower, cheap, cheaper, weak, weaker. Here we add er. Okay. Cold, colder, fast, faster, clever, cleverer, neat, neater, thick, thicker, young, younger, short, shorter, slow, slower, cheap, cheaper, weak, weaker. Next one, look at the pictures and take the correct words of comparison. First question, a tortoise is dash than a rabbit. Slow, slower. Answer, slower. Slower than a rabbit. A tortoise is slower than a rabbit. Next one, a tree is dash than a plant. A tree is taller than a plant. Third one, a dog is bigger than a cat. Answer, bigger. Fourth one, a bee is smaller than a bird. Smaller. A mango is sweeter than an apple. A mango is sweeter than an apple. Here, words of comparison we add er form. Okay. Slower, taller, bigger, smaller and sweeter. Okay.